What if the ancient goddess of magic could tell us exactly how to call in miracles? I went into a really deep meditation and I called on her and I asked Goddess Isis how to manifest beyond the ego. And I am going to read to you the channeled message that I got from her. And I want to be clear too that I am not one of those spiritualists that thinks that you have to completely break up with your ego. I think that the ego has a place, and I think that ego deaths are important, but I don't believe in doing away with it altogether. I just think that it has its place. You know, we are here having a human experience. The ego is the biggest part of that human experience. We are here to evolve through the ego, right? Like, otherwise, what are we doing here? So again, it's important to remember that the ego has a place. You are still here having a human experience, even as spiritual as you get, right? So I feel like that is important to mention as well. But I wanted to see what she had to say about manifesting beyond the ego, because our magic is just that. It does go beyond the human experience and beyond the ego, right? Also, if you're new to my channel, I'm Lindsay. How y'all doing? I love y'all so much. So I did journal it first, but then I just typed it up so it would be easier for me to read. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with what she had to say. So she said, "Beloved one, miracles are not rare. They are natural. You are the spell. You are the portal. But you must remember a few things. Let go of force. Miracles arrive when you soften. Let go of timelines. Stop demanding. Start allowing." Next point. Align your heart with your truth, not your fear. You cannot manifest miracles from survival mode. Your voice is sacred. Speak what you desire out loud. Words are spells. Your voice is the frequency that activates the unseen. I just really quickly want to mention how cool it was to get that part of the message, because that is something that I am very familiar with about Goddess Isis in particular, is that she was really, really known for her ability to speak what she wanted into existence. So I really loved that that came through. But I'll just go ahead and continue with what she was saying. The next point that she says is honor the unseen. Call in the invisible help. Ancestors, guides, and light beings walk with you. Ritual brings the divine into the now. Create a simple daily miracle ritual. A candle, an intention, and stillness. So that was what I got for her message that I thought was really cool. And now we're just going to do a little vibrational shift practice, and something that she encouraged as well too that I wanted to make as a part of this video. So what we're going to do is we're just going to close our eyes and put our hand on top of our heart, and we're just going to repeat these things. I am a living miracle. I allow blessings to find me with ease. I am supported by the divine in all that I do. So I really loved these particular vibrational shift practices and these words that she gave me too, because again, she was really known for speaking what she wanted into existence. And these words are very powerful. And I really recommend, even for myself, that we all practice using these words, saying them out loud or even silently whenever we can, all throughout the day, every day. So if this resonated, then Isis is already with you. And how cool is that? So do me a favor and drop a butterfly in the comment section if you are ready to call in your miracle timeline. And I also, with her from my meditation together, we created a free download, and we are calling it the Isis Manifestation Ritual. And so it's going to be just a 3-step downloadable or printable guide if you are interested in that. I'm going to link that in the description box below. And again, you'll just copy and paste it into your search bar, and then that way it'll give you the chance to download it, or whatever your preferred method of going about it will be. And so don't forget to like and subscribe as always. I can't wait to see what y'all do. I love hearing from y'all. I'm so grateful for each and every one of y'all, and I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next one.